Hey everyone, in this video we're comparing the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL with the iPhone 17 Pro Max camera. We'll test daylight video, ultrawide video, stabilization, low light video, optical zoom, and photo quality to see which phone has the better camera. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. Under bright daylight, both smartphones produce impressive video, but they have a different look. The iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers sharper details, a strong dynamic range, and more balanced colors. The footage looks clean, detailed, and natural overall. The Pixel 11 Pro XL produces brighter and more saturated footage, with punchier colors and a more vibrant look. While this can make the video look more eye-catching, the iPhone 17 Pro Max offers a more balanced and consistent result in this comparison. Moving on to the ultra-wide video test. The two phones provide a broad perspective, making them useful for capturing landscapes and larger scenes. However, the iPhone 17 Pro Max produces the stronger ultra-wide footage in this comparison. It maintains better detail toward the edges of the frame while keeping exposure and colors consistent. The Pixel 11 Pro XL still delivers impressive ultra-wide footage, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a clear advantage in overall quality. Now, let's test the stabilization. When recording while walking, both devices are able to keep the footage relatively smooth. However, the iPhone 17 Pro Max handles movement more effectively. Camera shake is reduced, and the footage feels smoother and more natural, especially during continuous movement. The Pixel 11 Pro XL also provides good stabilization, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers the more stable result in this test. Now let's move on to the optical zoom comparison. The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL comes with a 48 megapixel telephoto camera offering 5 times optical zoom, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max features a 48 megapixel telephoto camera with 4 times optical zoom. In this test, the Pixel 11 Pro XL delivers the better optical zoom performance. The 5 times optical zoom provides a closer view while maintaining impressive detail and clarity. Next up is the low light video comparison. As the lighting gets darker, both cameras have to work harder to maintain detail and exposure. The iPhone 17 Pro Max performs better here, producing brighter footage with cleaner details and better controlled noise. The Pixel 11 Pro XL also does a good job in darker environments, maintaining natural colors and preserving plenty of detail. However, the iPhone 17 Pro Max gives us a cleaner and more consistent result overall. Now let's compare the photos, starting with daylight. The Pixel 11 Pro XL features a capable camera setup that focuses on detailed images, natural colors, and Google's computational photography. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, meanwhile, comes with a highly capable camera system focused on consistent image quality, strong video performance, and accurate color reproduction across different conditions. In good lighting, both smartphones are capable of capturing highly detailed photos with impressive dynamic range. The iPhone 17 Pro Max produces sharp images with accurate colors, strong detail, and a well-controlled overall exposure. The Pixel 11 Pro XL takes a slightly more natural approach, with realistic colors and balanced processing. However, for this particular comparison, I prefer the overall look from the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And finally, let's look at low-light photos. In darker environments, both phones manage to preserve a good amount of detail while keeping noise at reasonable levels. The iPhone 17 Pro Max produces brighter images with cleaner shadows and better overall detail, making the scene look more clear and controlled. The Pixel 11 Pro XL also delivers strong nighttime photos with natural-looking colors, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max has the advantage in this test. So, after testing both cameras in different situations, the iPhone 17 Pro Max comes out on top in most areas of this comparison. It offers better daylight video, stronger ultra-wide footage, smoother stabilization, and better low-light performance. However, the Pixel 11 Pro XL performs better in optical zoom and gives us more detail in zoomed-in shots. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is still an excellent camera phone, especially if you prefer natural colors, strong zoom performance, and Google's distinctive image processing. But overall, the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers the more consistent camera experience in this comparison. Which smartphone do you think produced the better results? Let me know your choice in the comments, and if you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more smartphone camera tests.